So hi everyone, today we'll try to understand what is a multi-output parser, multi-output classifier that is provided by sklearn. So basically, if you know, most of the models that are available in sklearn, that is be it logistic regression, SVM, random forest, all these doesn't support multiple outputs. That is, they don't support multi-label classification. They can help you with binary classification, multi-class classification, but not multi-label classification. So to convert these models into a multi-label models, we need to use this particular wrapper called as multi-output classifier, as you can see here. So in this particular demo, we'll be showing you how you can use this to convert any model. So in this model, in this particular case, we are using logistic regression, but you can use any classification model to convert into multi-label classification. Talking about the background, so multi-output classifier, what does it do? It uses a one versus rest strategy at the back end to convert these models into a multi-label output model. So what is one versus rest? So instead of having a single model for all the classes, it will generate one model for each of the class. So it now has a multiple combination of binary classifiers for each of the class. So for example, if we have three classes, three labels, so it will create three separate models, and eventually whichever model gives you a yes as an output will be considered, the label would be considered from that for multi-label. So let's get started. Further back, you can check out my multi-label classification video for further understanding. So in this case, first of all, we'll be importing the required functions. So first of all, we are creating a dummy data set, make multi-label classification with 5 features and 4 classes. So first of all, I will demoing you how does the data set looks like. So you can see that 5 features are there and the labels. So here you can see that the labels which are present are represented by 1 in the particular sample, and the labels that are missing are 0. So the first three labels are present, the last one is missing in the first sample. That's it. It's as easy as that. Then we're doing a train test split. Now here, instead of directly calling the model, we are passing it as a parameter to the multi-output classifier that we have imported from sklearn dot multi-output. That's it. That's the only change that we need to do from a binary classification or multi-classification problem that we do, fitting very as we do for others, then doing the predictions and then getting a score. The score is because it's a dummy data set. That's it. So if you look at the prediction here, you can see that multiple outputs are coming. For the first sample, three classes are detected. For the second sample, two classes are detected. So in this way, you can implement a multi-label classification problem using any of the models present in sklearn using the multi-output wrapper.